Hi everyone, happy Valentine's to all the people, and I wish all very nice, loving each other, all friendship or family. That is the best way. And also, and all couple, all loved ones, and also Valentine's to the people like alone or no partner, and also there is, is everything is nice to be to love to all the nation, all the people like that. This is very important. Like you are really independent person through your life, every situation. Because if you're not independent, this is really like you're not strong enough. I can see this. It's very nice. Many people independent. In my time, in my place in Philippines, mostly the people is independent, not uh, running around to the family. Everybody go on. Everybody have a dream. It's very nice to be independent. Also, my brother and sister is very independent. Like I'm very young. I already travel everywhere. I travel in Europe. I'm very young. I'm very independent. This is not per se you're not strong enough. But if you're independent, you have a lot of experience in life. If you are really not independent, I don't know what I can say that about the people is not independent in self. This is I don't understand because I love in the old story and the old time, all the people in the old people because is have more story. The young people have no any story. Is the new generation is really boring people. There's nothing to the story, only like a zombie in the social media. I like the old story of the people, a very interesting story. Thank you.